Namaste, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Namaste, sir. Good evening, namaste, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. Sir, I'm fine.
We were trying to discuss about division of polynomial, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Do you remember?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you remember how to divide?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope you remember. That's very good. So let's move on. Is there anyone who need help on division of polynomial?
No, sir. Sir, sir.
You need help?
Yes, sir.
See, consider we have a quadratic polynomial x square minus 3x plus 2, and we have to do long division. We are trying to divide it by x plus 2. This is dividend, this is divisor. Generally we divide a number by another number. We write the quotient here. Here also we want, it is our choice to write here or here. It is your choice. Wherever you want, you can write, but generally we will be writing here on the top. Okay? You will see in your books, the quotient is written on the top only, quotient. Dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder in the bottom. Okay. How to decide what to write here in quotient, in place of quotient? Simple process. Take the first term of the dividend, divide it by the first term of divisor. Before that you need to make sure that both the polynomials are written in a standard form. Highest degree term very first, lowest degree term at last. This must be a standard form. If it is not already written in a standard form, then first write it in a standard form, then divide. Okay, presently we have both of them already in standard form, so let's move on. First term by first term, divide it. X square by x. What do you get?
X, sir.
X.
Sir, X.
Where to write this x?
Below the
In the quotient, not below. Whatever we get here should go on top here in the quotient. So we have got here the first term in the quotient. Okay, what is the next step? Next step is to multiply this x with what? With the divisor, x plus 2. What is this?
X square plus 2x.
X square plus 2x. Where to write this?
Below the dividend, sir.
Below the dividend, and then subtract. Also make sure that you are writing x square term below the x square term and x term below the x term. So we have x square here plus 2x. Now we have to subtract. How to subtract? Generally, if I tell you to subtract x square plus 2x from the first one, that is x square minus 3x plus 2. If I tell you to subtract this from this, how will you subtract? You will write the first one, second one, because this is from x square minus 3x plus 2, and then you write the second one by changing the sign, because you have minus sign before that, minus of x square plus 2x. This is how we subtract, right?
Yes, sir.
So the first expression remains as it is, but the second one gets both opposite sign because of this minus. When we open the bracket, I told you this, I taught
Yes,
how
sir.
to subtract an expression. If you have a minus sign before the bracket, you need to open the bracket with sign changed of each of them. So x square becomes minus x square, plus 2x becomes minus 2x. In the same way, this is the subtraction. We don't need to do this way. I just showed you like for an example so that you can understand it. This is called horizontal method of subtraction. When you write first one here, first one on the left and another one on the right, this is called horizontal method because you write both of them in a horizontal line. But if you write one on top, another in the bottom, this is called vertical method. So here also you have to change the sign of the second one, not of the first one. So plus x square became minus x square. Right below here, don't erase the original sign. Original sign is plus, keep it as it is. Below it, make it negative. So now both of them became negative. X square positive and x square negative. Positive and negative. I told you how to combine like terms. If you have x square here and minus x square here, how do you treat them? How do you treat them?
So we cancel.
We just cancel out because their coefficients are same, 1 and 1 with opposite sign plus and minus. So we just cancel out. Similarly, this will be cancelled out. Actually, this and this are the same things. Doing this way are the same things. So be comfortable in this way as well. Now it is minus 3x and minus 2x. How much you get here for
X,
this?
sir. X.
Use your
X.
brain. I told you when you combine like terms, you combine their coefficients. So it is minus 3, it is minus 2. Minus 3 and minus 2. How much is it?
Five.
Minus 5. Why don't you use your brain? You said 1, minus 1. Why? So it is minus 5x and then plus 2 comes on from top. Well, I am erasing this. This was just to give you reference. So earlier our dividend was x square minus 3x plus 2, but that is gone. Now our new dividend is here, minus 5x plus 2. And we will do the same two steps for this as well. What was the first step we did? Division of first term by first term. Here also we will divide first term by first term. First term minus 5x by first term x. What is this?
Minus 5.
Where will this minus 5 go?
The question.
Minus 5. And then the second step, minus 5, x was multiplied with divisor. Here also minus 5 will be multiplied with divisor. Divisor is the same thing. Divisor is not changed, but dividend got changed. What is this? Minus 5x minus 10. Where will this go?
Down the dividend, sir.
Below the dividend here. And make sure that x term goes below x and constant below constant. So it's minus 5x and minus 10. And since you are subtracting this second one from the first one, so the sign of this second one, the lower one, must be changed. It is negative minus 5x, you will change it to plus. Second is minus 10 and minus 10, so it will change to plus 10. Now minus 5x and plus 5x. What is the result?
It cancels, sir.
Cancel. Now it is plus 2 plus 10. How much is it?
12.
And now we have to stop here. We cannot divide further. How to know? Why cannot we divide? Actually, we need to check if the degree of remainder is lesser than degree of divisor, then we stop. What is the degree here? Degree of 12. Degree is 0. Forgot everything. I told you 12 means 12 into x power 0. Variable has power 0, so degree is 0 for this. And what is the degree for this? What is the degree for this? That is 1. What happened to you, David? Why your voice is not coming? Any problem?
No, sir.
No? Liar. You don't have any problem. That's why voice didn't come out. You have some problem. That's why voice didn't come. Division is complete now because the degree of remainder is smaller than the degree of divisor. Whenever you think degree is lesser in the remainder, stop here. It is complete. Now the quotient, we have to write the answer, and answer means quotient and remainder. Quotient is x minus 5. Remainder is 12, the answer. Any problem?
No, sir. No, sir.
So do you think x plus 2 is a factor of that dividend?
Yes, sir. I didn't understand your question, sir.
Do you think x plus 2 is a factor of x square minus 3x plus 2?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
We divide 13 by 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Remainder is 3. Do you think 5 is a factor of 13?
No, sir.
Why do you say no? How did you get no?
Sir, wait.
You have no reason. Voice is not coming out of your mouth. Because remainder is not 0, that's why 5 is not a factor. And 13 is not a multiple of 5. Here also remainder is not 0. So x plus 2 is not a factor of this. And this is not a multiple of this. 5 is not a factor of 13. and 13 is not a multiple of 5 because remainder is not 0. Same here, x plus 2 is not a factor of this. This is extra information. X plus 2 is not a factor of x square minus 3x plus 2 and x square minus 3x plus 2 is what? Voice not coming. Is not a multiple of x plus 2. Why voice is not coming? So, did you understand how to divide it? Are you ready for a question now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You think you can handle it yourself?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Try this. Try this and submit your response. Send your answer within 3 minutes. Do quick. If you need more time, you have to say.
Sir, I'm sending. I'm also sending, sir. Sir, I'm sending. 1 minute, sir, I'm sending. Sir, I sent.
Okay.
I also sent, sir.
Okay. Okay, so the first step, this is our dividend. We have to decide what to write in the quotient here. What is that? First term x square divided by first term x. What is this? X. So x comes in the first step of first term of quotient. Now what to do with this x? X will multiply with divisor x plus 3. What is this? X square plus 3x. Let's write x square plus 3x below it. Change the sign, minus, minus. First term cancels every time, so here also. Minus 5x and minus 3x. How much is it?
Minus 8x.
Minus 8x.
Minus 8x.
And then plus 7 comes from the top. Now this is our dividend, new dividend. We have to divide this by this. So again the same thing will repeat. First term divided by first term. It's minus 8. So minus 8 is the new next term of quotient. And then minus 8 will be multiplied with what? Divisor x plus 3. Minus 8x minus 24. I am doing this in rough space. You don't need to do it every time. I am showing it every time because I want to explain it to you. I don't want you to be confused. That's why I am writing. But you can do it just by seeing over it. We can do it mentally. Just by thought process, we know x square divided by x is x. So we write directly x here. Then we multiply x with this and write below it. So we can do it directly. No need to write this every time here in the rough. So we get now minus 8x minus 24. Change the sign. It becomes positive. This also positive. First term every time cancels. So here as well, minus 8x plus 8x. Now plus 7 plus 24. How much is it? 31.
Yes.
31 is the remainder. So the answer is here. Answer means quotient and remainder. Quotient x minus 8 remainder 31. This is the answer. David, you don't have written answer.
The time was over, sir.
What?
The time was over, sir.
Okay. So we have divided here a quadratic polynomial by a linear polynomial. Quadratic by linear. Ready for the next?
Yes.
The next one is this. 4y square plus 3y plus half. You have to divide this by 2y plus 1.
Okay, sir.
Okay, start. You have limited time. Whatever you do, you have to submit, no matter wrong or right, incomplete or complete. 3 minutes. Within 3 minutes, submit your response.
Okay. Sir, I'm sending. Sir, I have sent. I'm also sent. I'm also.
Okay. So as we know, dividend and divisor both are in standard form. So we have to divide first term by first term. 4y square divided by 2y is 2y. So 2y will go in the quotient as the first term. Now 2y multiplies with the divisor 2y plus 1 and we get 4y square plus 2y. Right here 4y square plus 2y. Change the sign. This is positive, so becomes negative. This is positive, again it becomes negative. And as we know, first term cancels always, is plus 4y square, it's minus 4y square, cancel. Now we have plus 3y minus 2y. How much we get here? Plus 3y minus 2y. How much? Plus 3y minus 2y. How much is it?
Why?
Y. So write y here. And plus half comes from the top. Again the same process will go on. This is our new dividend. This is divisor. Degree is same. It has degree 1. This has also degree 1. Degree is same. That means we have to divide or we have to stop. Any idea? We will divide.
We have to do that.
We stop only when degree of the remainder is lesser than the degree of divisor. Presently they are same, so we will divide and see how. First term y will be divided by 2y. Y divided by 2y. It is 1 by 2 or plus 1 by 2. It goes in the quotient here, plus 1 by 2. And now 1 by 2 is multiplied with divisor 2y plus 1. So 1 by 2 times 2y is how much? Y. 1 by 2 times 1 is how much? 1 by 2. We get y plus 1 by 2. Y plus 1 by 2. Sign change. Plus y becomes minus y. Plus half becomes minus half. First term cancels. Second term also cancels because they have the same value, opposite sign. We have got nothing in the remainder, it's just 0. Now we have to stop. 0 means degree 0, and here is degree 1. Now this degree is lesser. So write the answer. Quotient 2y plus half, remainder 0. Answer. Any question?
No, sir.
No.
Did you get the same answer?
No, sir.
Why no?
For the third,
Why no? That means you didn't follow the steps correctly. If it is not, that means you didn't follow the steps. Till this step it's correct, but after that you have done wrong. You divided y by 2y wrongly. Y divided by 2y is half, but you have written 2. You missed it. Okay, let's move on. Ready for the next?
yes, sir.
Let's do one thing before we take the next question. Let us divide 27 by 4. In how many times you divide?
Sir, 6 times.
4 times 6 is 24. You subtract and you get 27 minus 24, 3. Notice, what was the dividend?
Sir, 27.
No.
What's your problem, David? Why voice is not coming out? Your voice is not coming out. What is divisor?
4, sir.
What is quotient?
Sir, 6.
6,
And what is remainder?
3.
Yes. So if you have divided and you want to check if your division is correct or not, what do you do for that? How do you check if this is correctly done or wrongly done? Is there any method?
Sir, we multiply divisor with the quotient, then add the remainder. If we get dividend, then it is
Okay, that's good. How to check if division is done correctly? How to check if the division is done correctly? The very easy process is that you multiply divisor with quotient and add remainder. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. If this is equal to dividend, then your division is correct. Means 4 times 6. Divisor into quotient. 4 times 6 and then plus remainder. Did you get the way? Multiply
Yes, sir.
divisor with quotient and then add the result with remainder. If you get equal to 27 dividend, then your division is correct, otherwise not. Divisor 4, quotient 6 plus remainder 3 is how much? 4 6 ja 24 plus 3 27, that is equal to dividend. Yes, it matches. That means division is correct. Any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
We can do the same procedure to check the division for polynomial also, like this one. We have done this division. Let us check if this division is correct. We will check it on the next page. So we have quotient x minus 8, remainder 31, divisor x plus 3, and dividend x square minus 5x plus 7. What was the method? Method was divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Means this will be multiplied with this divisor with quotient, and whatever is the result we get, that will be added to remainder. Let us do that. Divisor x plus 3, quotient x minus 8, and plus remainder. Remainder is 31. I have already taught how to multiply two binomials. First binomial x plus 3, second binomial x minus 8. You understand how to multiply that, correct? Yes or no?
Distribute.
Why your voice is not coming,
Yes.
David? What is the problem? Why your voice is stuck? You try
We
to
can
say
use
something, your voice
distributive
is stuck.
property, sir.
What?
We can use distributive property.
Yes. So x multiplies by with x minus 8, and then plus 3 multiplies with x minus 8, and plus 31 is at last. X into x, x square, x into minus 8, minus 8x, then plus 3 into x, plus 3x, plus 3 into minus 8, minus 24, and then plus 31. X square is the first term. Let us combine the like terms together. What is this? Minus 8x plus 3x,
Minus 5x.
minus 5x right here. And then what is minus 24 plus 31? What is this?
1 second.
This much time?
Minus 7.
It's plus 7. This much time taken, still wrong. 31 is positive, 24 is negative. It's 31 minus 24. How did you get negative 7? Be attentive. Now see what we get here. That is the dividend, isn't it? Dividend.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We get dividend. That means the division is correct. Divisor into quotient plus remainder gives you dividend. That means division is correct. So division is correct. Any cross question? Any confusion?
No, sir.
So whenever you do the long division for polynomials and you think you are not sure if you did it correctly or incorrectly, you can cross check by this method. Ready for the next?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Divide 8x power 4 plus 14x cubed minus 2x squared plus 7x minus 8 by what? 4x squared plus 3x minus 2. Do this division. You have to apply long division and submit. 4 minutes will be okay, or 5
Yes,
minutes?
sir.
I give you
5
4
minutes.
minutes. I give you 4 minutes. Whatever you do, submit in 4 minutes.
Okay, sir. I couldn't do, sir.
You are sending?
No, sir, I couldn't do.
Don't be a
I
loser.
did for only second step.
Don't be a loser. So quickly you said I couldn't do. What new I have given?
Nothing new, sir.
Why did you become a loser?
Sir, I'm sending.
Okay.
Sir, I sent.
David, you did not send. So which one is the dividend? First one or the second one? Which one is dividend? Which one is dividend?
28x power 4, that's the first one, sir.
Why are you wasting the time reading it? Just say first one. 8x power 4 plus 14x cube minus 2x squared plus 7x minus 8. And divisor 4x squared plus 3x minus 2. First of all, check if it is already a standard form or not. Is this a standard form or not?
No, sir.
What is wrong there?
First there is 8, sir.
What do you mean by 8? What should be first?
14, sir. 14x.
What nonsense. First is maximum degree 4, second is lesser than that. It's already a standard. So 8x power 4 divided by 4x square is how much? How much is it? 4 2 ja 8 and x power 4 divided by x square is x square. So 2x square. 2x square is first term in the quotient. Now 2x square will be multiplied with the divisor. Two x square will be multiplied with the divisor 4x square plus 3x minus 2. 2x square into 4x square is 8x power 4. 2x square into 3x is 6x cubed, and then 2x square into minus 2 is minus 4x square. Let's write it below the dividend. 8x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 4x square. Let's change the sign. Negative, negative, and it becomes positive. First term cancelled. Now plus 14x cube minus 6x cube is how much? Plus 14x cube minus 6x cube is how much?
Sir, it is 8x cube.
8.
So write here 8x cube minus 2x square plus 4x square is how much? How much?
Sir, it will be 2.
Plus 2.
Why taking much time? You forgot addition subtraction. 2x square. Now other two terms will come down here, plus 7x minus 8x. Now this is our new dividend. We have to do the same process again. First term 8x cube divided by first term of divisor 4x square. If you divide 4 times 2, so 2 comes here, x cube by x square is just x. So we get 2x. 2x is the next term in the quotient. And then 2x will be multiplied with divisor. Let's do it here in the rough. Actually, we can do it directly as well. Tell me what is 2x into 4x square? 2x into 4x square is
8x cube.
right below this. Then 2x into 3x. How much? How much?
Can you say it again, sir? That
You are waiting to tell me. So slow. Plus 2x minus 2. Then sign change. Negative, negative, positive. First term cancels. Now plus 2x square minus 6x square is how much?
Sir, it is
minus 4.
Minus 4x square. Your voice doesn't seem to be confident. Plus 7x plus 4x is how much?
Plus 11x.
And then minus 8 comes from the top. This is our new dividend now. Do you think we should continue dividing or stop?
so we should continue dividing.
Continue.
Yes, degree of the remainder is 2. This is quadratic, and degree of divisor is also 2. Means they are same. So we can do the division again. So let us divide first term by first term. What do you get? Minus 4x square divided by 4x square. Minus 4x square divided by 4x square. How much?
Sir, it will be minus 1.
Minus 6.
Minus 6.
Sir, minus 1.
You forgot to use your brain.
Sir, it is minus 1.
Yes. Minus 4x square divided by 4x square. 4 1 ja 4 one time. X square completely cancel. Nothing remaining, minus 1 remaining. No, nothing else. Only minus 1. Now minus 1 will be multiplied with divisor to write here. So tell me, minus 1 into 4x square. Minus 1 into
Minus-
4x square.
Minus 4x.
Minus 1 into 3x.
minus 3x
Minus 1 into minus 2.
plus 2.
Sign change now. Negative becomes positive. Negative becomes positive. Positive becomes negative. We always change the sign of the lower one, lower terms. First term cancels here. Plus 11x plus 3x. How much?
Sir, 14x.
Minus 8 minus 2. How much?
Sir, minus 10.
Minus
We have now new dividend. Do you think we should continue dividing or stop?
Sir, we should
Stop.
stop.
What is the degree of remainder
Sir, 1.
1.
and degree of divisor?
Sir, 2.
2.
Right. So degree of the remainder is lesser than the degree of divisor. Now our work is over. We stop and write the final answer here. Quotient 2x square plus 2x minus 1 and remainder 14x minus 10. These two together makes answer. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, our maths class time is over. Do we have science class today?
No, sir.
No.
We have it tomorrow.
How many classes of science we did in this week?
Sir, we have done 2 already.
2 classes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then now we don't have science class today. So let's stop it here only. Did you learn it now? Did you learn it?
Oh,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Do you think now you can handle more this type?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But David, you don't have time to do your homework. How will you do it now? I already sent some homework in the last class, second last class. Did you see that?
You can send it Sunday, sir, like that time.
That is already pending. Last class. Today is 7th July. It was on 5th July. It should be here, I guess. Let me check. Yes, here it is. I gave only 4 questions because you said you don't have much time to do. Only 4 questions were there, and that too is pending. These 4 questions were homework on the 5th July. These 4 questions are still waiting. So remember, this is your new homework.
Okay, sir.
You have to submit these 4 questions in the next class. Will you do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye-bye. See you in the next class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
We have Hindi class, sir.
Not now. Is it just now?
No, sir.
Okay. So let's end it. I will let you know on Telegram. Okay.